Hey, my people! In this video, I'll tell you how many liters of oil a Chevy Silverado 1500 with a 5.3 V8 engine takes. We have the first generation Chevy Silverado 1500 with a 5.3 V8 engine from the years 1999 to 2006. The oil capacity is 6 quarts, which is equivalent to 5.7 liters. That specific number remained remarkably consistent and stable throughout all of those consecutive years with the legendary and reliable famous Vortec 5300 engine. And when the next generation of the Silverado came out, between 2007 and 2013, Chevrolet kept using the 5.3 Vortec engine, and the capacity also stayed the same, needing 6 quarts or 5.7 liters of oil. However, in 2014, Chevrolet completely revamped the 5.3 engine and introduced the EcoTech 3 V8. With this change, the oil capacity also increased, going up to 8 quarts, which is equivalent to 7.6 liters of oil. That same amount was maintained in the Silverado from 2014 to 2018, so any 5.3 EcoTech 3 from those years uses 8 quarts, or 7.6 liters. Much later on, with the brand new generation that was officially launched back in 2019, the 5.3-liter engine received several significant technological updates. However, the overall oil capacity remained exactly the same as before, meaning it still requires 8 full quarts, which is equivalent to 7.6 liters. And finally, looking at the most recent models released, starting from the year 2020 and going all the way through 2026, they consistently continue to require a capacity of about 8 quarts, or 7.6 liters of oil. So it is clear that the basic oil specification for these vehicles hasn't changed at all.